Have you ever stopped to think about the very air you breathe? Oxygen, the invisible gas that fuels our existence, feels so abundant, so permanent. But what if I told you that one day, it could all disappear? I'm not talking about some far-off abstract sci-fi scenario. I'm talking about a potential oxygen apocalypse. It sounds terrifying, right? But before you start holding your breath, let's look at what science actually says. Recently, a groundbreaking study from researchers at Toho University and Georgia Tech ran a simulation, a super detailed model of Earth's climate, biology, and geology. They wanted to see how long our oxygen-rich atmosphere will last. Their findings were staggering. They predict that in about 1 billion years, Earth's oxygen levels could plummet dramatically, returning to the low levels seen before the Great Oxidation Event, which happened about 2.4 billion years ago. Imagine an atmosphere with 1 million times less oxygen than we have today. It's a chilling thought. So, what's the trigger for this catastrophic drop? The sun. Our star is constantly getting brighter, heating up over millions of years. This increased solar energy will eventually cause our atmosphere to warm and our oceans to evaporate. All this water vapor in the atmosphere is a powerful greenhouse gas, which will trap more heat, further accelerating the process. This isn't just about rising sea levels. It's about the very chemistry of our planet changing. The intense heat and radiation will break down carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which is the essential food for plants and photosynthetic organisms. Think about it. Plants are the lungs of our planet. Through photosynthesis, they take in carbon dioxide and release the oxygen we breathe. As the sun gets hotter and CO2 levels drop, these photosynthetic life forms will start to struggle and eventually die off. Fewer plants mean less photosynthesis, which means less oxygen being produced. It's a devastating feedback loop. Once this process starts, the model shows that the deoxygenation of our atmosphere could happen surprisingly fast, perhaps in as little as 10,000 years. A geological blink of an eye? Now, 1 billion years is an incredibly long time. Humanity, as we know it, will likely be vastly different, or we might have even found new homes among the stars. But this research does something profound. It reminds us that our planet, our home, has a finite lifespan. It also gives us a new perspective on the search for extraterrestrial life. When we look at distant exoplanets, we often search for an oxygen biosignature as a sign of life. This study suggests that such a signature might be a fleeting thing in a planet's history. A habitable planet might spend most of its life without detectable oxygen. So we could be missing out on countless worlds that are, or were, teeming with life. This isn't a reason to panic, but it is a reason to appreciate. It's a powerful reminder of the delicate and complex systems that make life on Earth possible. Every breath we take is a gift from a billion-year-long history of geological and biological evolution. So, while we don't need to worry about the oxygen apocalypse happening tomorrow, we should absolutely worry about the health of our planet today. Protecting our current environment, our forests, our oceans, the very things that maintain our breathable air is the most important thing we can do. It's about ensuring a healthy planet for ourselves and for all the generations to come. Thanks for watching. If you found this cosmic perspective fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into science and our universe. See you next time.